Hey, I'm Eric Morris with Morris Environmental, and today we're going to talk a little bit about foundation wall cracks and how to repair them. So come on with me, let's go check it out. Small hairline cracks in your foundation wall, well, that's fairly normal. But when they become excessive, like the ones we found on this project, well, that can become a problem. All right, now to repair these cracks, we're going to use the polyurethane epoxy injection method. The products we're using today to perform the epoxy injection are made by a company called Applied Technologies. We're using Hydrostop 300, which is a hydrophobic polyurethane foam, which we actually use to inject inside the crack. Next, we have epoxy paste. It's a two-part epoxy that we use on the surface of the crack. First thing you're going to want to do is prepare your work area. We always recommend hanging some plastic like this to keep dust at bay. All right, now the second thing you're going to want to do is prepare the crack. That's going to involve some grinding so that way the crack can receive the epoxy injection. All right, now the third thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and glue on your epoxy injection ports using the two-part epoxy. All right, now the fourth thing you're going to want to do is go over the surface of the crack with the epoxy sealer paste. All right, now the fifth thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and inject through your injection ports the polyurethane hydrophobic foam. All right, it's always best to start your injection process from the bottom and then work your way up. After you're done injecting each port, don't forget to put the caps back on. Now we recommend that you allow the epoxy to cure for about 24 hours. Then after that, come back in here with a hammer, knock off the ports, and then you're done. All right, well, that concludes our video for today. And thanks for tuning in. I'm Eric Morris with Morris Environmental. And if you're in the Atlanta metro area and you have any foundation repair or waterproofing needs, be sure and give us a call at 770-546-3998.